As mechanical keyboards grows among typists and gamers, performance-focused tools are also in demand for emergency readiness. Rechargeable emergency lights have become a household essential, offering dependable brightness, power-saving efficiency, and portability. This guide evaluates the top rechargeable emergency lights based on battery capacity, lighting modes. List number 1. Energizer weatheready rechargeable flashlights for home, pack of 3. The Energizer weatheready pack of 3 rechargeable flashlights are an excellent choice for families seeking reliable lighting during emergencies. Each flashlight provides up to 3.5 hours of runtime on a single charge and plugs directly into a wall outlet for easy recharging. They automatically turn on during power outages, making them ideal for nightstands, kitchens, and hallways.
List 2. LED camping lantern rechargeable 1800 LM, 4 light modes, 4400 mAh bank. This LED camping lantern offers a perfect blend of brightness and utility for both emergencies and outdoor use. With a powerful 1800 lumens output and 4 lighting modes, cool white, warm white, combined, and strobe, it provides versatile illumination for any situation. The 4400 mAh rechargeable battery doubles as a power bank, letting you charge your phone or other devices in a blackout or while camping.
List number 3. Eventek LED camping lantern rechargeable, 20,000 mAh portable lights up to 144 hours. The Eventek LED camping lantern stands out with its massive 20,000 mAh battery capacity, offering up to 144 hours of illumination on low mode. This makes it a beast during extended power outages or long camping trips. The lantern has 3 color temperatures: warm, natural, white, 5 brightness levels, and can serve as a high-capacity power bank to charge phones or other USB devices. List number 4. Glocusent camping lantern rechargeable, up to 80 Rs, 5000 mAh, 106 LED, 5 brightness levels. The Glocusent camping lantern delivers balanced lighting with its 106 LEDs, adjustable across 5 brightness levels and 3 color temperatures. It's built with a 5000 mAh battery, offering up to 80 hours of runtime on low mode, making it highly reliable for emergencies or prolonged use. Its soft light mode is ideal for nighttime indoor use, while the brighter settings are great for outdoor conditions.
List number 5. Collapsible portable LED camping lantern xtauto, solar plus USB rechargeable. The xtauto collapsible lantern is an excellent solar plus USB rechargeable light that offers both eco-friendliness and emergency readiness. Its collapsible design allows for easy portability, while the dual charging methods, solar and USB, ensure it stays powered even when the grid fails. It's lightweight, water-resistant, and features built-in handles and a flashlight mode. While not as bright as premium models,